Kung isa ka sa mga healthcare workers o breadwinners na nagtatrabaho ng sobra-sobra pero parang kulang pa rin, I feel you. Ganyan na rin kasi ako. I used to work for 2 hospitals, pero kahit ganun, I still felt overwhelmed. Yes, I was able to support my family here and at the same time, tumutulong rin sa pamilya sa Pilipinas. But you see, on top of all of that, I was going through depression. And at the same time, yung anak ko rin was struggling with his own mental health issues. Sobrang bigat. Ang daming burden. Hi, my name is Malor Graho. I am a physical therapist by profession and now a coach in our digital business community. My doctor once told me, find something new that will spark your passion again. Kaya kahit hesitant ako, I finally said yes to this digital business. And guess what? Kahit busy ako sa 2 trabaho ko sa hospital, nagawa ko siya kasi parang business in a box. Walang selling, walang recruiting, everything is already set up for you. After a few months in the business, I was able to scale down to just 1 job. 4 days a week na lang ako nagtatrabaho. Today, Monday, I'm home because I don't work on Mondays anymore. I have more time with my son. I have more time for myself as well. And when my dad passed away recently, this business gave me the blessing of having enough emergency funds and the freedom to fly home right away without asking for anyone's permission or approval. Kung naghahanap ka rin ng bagong path, ng bagong passion, message me with your name and email and I'll send you the exact information that changed my life. Baka ito na rin kasi yung blessing na hinahanap mo.